In this guide, I'm going to show you how to log into Raid Shadow Legends web store. Intro. Now, first things first, do make sure that your Raid account is actually connected to a Plarium ID because you're going to need to access the web store using this. But on your phone, all you really need to do is back out and open up a web browser of your choice. And if you're on a PC, just open up a web browser. And you could just search for Raid Web Store, select it, and you're immediately going to have a login option. Simply go ahead and select this, and you can either log in via the game or you can enter in your email, whatever it might be. In this case, I'm going to log in via the game. And once you're logged in, you're good to go. Just make sure that you do check your Plarium nickname and the player ID shown in the store, and make sure that they do match your Raid account before you make any purchases. Before you do leave, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.